अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ ऐसे शेयर करूंगी वुमेन प्लेस इन आवर सोसाइटी। प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में भी मैंने एक बार आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया था, लेकिन ये इस वाले से डिफरेंट है। तो चलते हैं हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। स्टार्ट में कोटेशन है, द सोसाइटी ऑफ वुमेन इज़ द फाउंडेशन ऑफ गुड मैनर्स। वुमेन are the inherent part of our society and cannot be neglected due to their less power and authority. They are created as a companion for men, and men have to make her walk with them in the course of life. Men and women have been rightly compared to the wheels of the same carriage. The carriage cannot run properly if one of the wheels is defective, so women are the integral part of society. इसको आप लोग साथ साथ नोट डाउन करते जाएं। You educate a man, you educate a man, you educate a woman, you educate a generation. As Pakistan is an Islamic state, so Pakistani females' roles and behaviors are defined by Islamic laws and as such are given divine section. She plays role as a mother, as a sister or daughter. A wife, she plays her role with great responsibilities in upbringing of a healthy, solid society, but she is in our so-called modern world still living in chains. Man endures pain and undeserved punishment. Women accept it as a natural heritage. The main responsibility of a woman is to preserve the human race. As a mother, her position is unique. She brings up the children with extreme care. The first school of a child is the lap of his mother. It is quite true that great men had great mothers. Napoleon said, "Give me good mothers and I will give you a great nation." The basic unit of society is a woman. As a woman makes a family, family makes a society. Family makes a home and home makes a society. So we should never think that a society would come into existence without the contribution of women. We all know that without education no development is possible. Here we have forgotten that the very first and best school of child is its mother's lap. Paradise is under the feet of mother. If it's a woman who teaches how to behave, how to speak and how to deal with different classes of people. These all are the basic fundamental of good society, and women are the main contributors in building up a strong society. In the Quran there are many places where the holy book tells us the important place of women in society. Islam gives a right to women to many independently. If women are expected to do the same work as men, we must teach the same thing. Arabia, the origin of Islam in pre-Islamic ages, was wrapped all over by blanket of evil deeds, wicked thought and immorality. Women are the most affected during that time. They were treated like animals. They were only used as toys and they were worse than slaves. The newborn baby girl were alive as they that the girl were the curse for family and society. Women have the same rights in return to their husband, but they do not. The Allah's blessing are upon that home and parents that have daughters. With the advent of Islam, the woman got the respect and status in the society that she ever deserved. In this respect, our holy prophet has said, "The best of you are those who are best to their women." The place and role of women has always been a matter of discussion in the modern world. Women are taking part in every field of life. Women play a great role in human progress and have an important place in society. They are not inferior to men. They are capable of sharing the responsibilities of life shoulder to shoulder with men. There is always a woman behind every successful man. The main responsibility of a woman is to preserve the human race. For this, she has to bear many hardships. She gives birth to children, feeds them, and helps them grow up. It is quite true that great men have great mothers. The progress of a nation depends upon the way the mother bring up their Children's mother is a great shelter for us in this unsheltered world. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये ऐसे आप लोग इसे देख लें। अगर आप लोगों को किसी वर्ड की समझ नहीं आ रही, कहीं प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ लें, मैं आप लोगों को बता दूंगी। कोई कोटेशन नहीं समझ आ रही या फिर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है कोई, तो फिर मैं आप लोगों को बता दूंगी। प्रेजेंटेशन का आप लोगों ने ख्याल रखना है। कोटेशन मिड में लिखनी है हमेशा और एक सीक्वेंस में लिखनी है। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था आप लोगों के पास आज का ऐसे। होप सो आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी। अगर किसी भी वर्ड में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं, मैं आप लोगों को बता दूंगी। अगर आप लोगों के लिए मेरी वीडियो यूज़फुल रही है तो आप लोग मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो इजीली आप तक पहुंच सके। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।